My name is Tanya Colazzo. I am the Senior Director of Nutrition
for JASA.
JASA is an organization that serves to help older adults in the community. We provide life-saving services for 40,000 older adults in New York City, 1 million meals for older adults through our Home Delivered Meals program and our Congregate Meals program.
We've been providing them with food on a weekly basis to help feed seniors and to help combat food insecurity in the Rockaways.
I'm here to highlight this wonderful partnership that we have with Scholars Academy and Teens for Food Justice. This partnership is reflective of a spirit of community and giving back and taking care of each other. And that is evident by the work that's going into this hydroponic farm here.
Rockaway is known as a food desert, so we provide many different fresh crops and produce to different community organizations like JASA and Campaign Against Hunger to provide them with fresh food that they would not be able to get without us.
Our farm is able to provide fresh produce to our cafeteria in the salad bar, so students are able to eat fresh produce in their lunches. Our farm is also a hands-on opportunity for students to work in the farm doing something they love.